Let's install Magento in your Ubuntu 18 with Apache, PHP and MySQL. First, you need to create a specific user for the Magento. Command is add user. Username could be school. This is my username. Or make the username as simple like domain name. You need to specify a password. I'm giving the password. So giving the password. So my user created. I don't want to make this user in root pseudo privileges. So user is completed. The next step is and put this Magento file system owner to a group user mod minus g. The group name is www data. Username is dumb school. I'd like to put the user dumb school to the www data, which is Apache group name. So it will put group groups groups. Let's check the dumb school user. Let's check the dumb school user in which group. So dumb school user in data group, so it's all right. So we need to make the Apache restore, and it is also noticeable that so let's install the Magento here. Get the Magento software first. So we need to create a directory. To download the Matento software, we need to visit this link, the download link of Magento. Here we can download with Composer, full release zip with no sample data. We'd like to download this, but so to get the Magento, we need to download this tar ZZ. That is the 188. The version of Matento is 2.33. It's open source. Click here and download. So it will ask you to log in, and it's downloading. Let's wait for a few minutes. So the file is downloaded. Let's create a folder in ls okay there tmp temporary folder. So upload this file to here. Let's copy the file and paste it here. I'm using Mobile Extreme, the SCP and the command prompt shell. Let's check whether the file is uploaded. Still empty. The file is uploading through the SCP browser. As you can see, the file is in home MG folder. So this was the file, and I need to choose a destination folder, -C, and I need to put the destination folder, that is 8C, not 8C, var dumb school. This folder, I would like to extract everything of this ZZ folder to here. Let's press enter. You must specify one of the let's try. So it's extracting. Give it a time. So it's extracted to that folder, our HTTP folder. We need to change the owner, or WN, change the owner recursively to do dumb school, and group www data to the folder var dumb school, and including the current directory on existing that dumb school directory, including the dumb school directory, and inside all the folder, let's change the ownership to dumb school with group data. Let's change the ownership to dumb school. So our next step is set the ownership and permission for the shared group. So however, I copied the command from the Matento website. I'll tell you much details. Let's paste the comment, and we will change from the starting var www our website folder, then school.com, and public state vendor, at the end of the file sudo ch on recursively to the group ch on recursively to the group data, and chmod bin to bin Magento folder. Okay, let's try it. So it's done, and the next process is to configuring the Magento application. We need a cron job for this Magento. Right now we are at var.dumbschool.com, which is our web server folder, website folder, and where the Magento is extracted. Here we are. So we need to run a cron job. Like sudo our username with parameter u for username do and dump school. This is our username for the Magento file system. It is a Magento file system owner, and then bin /mn gn2 corn and install. There is a script corn, then install. We need to run this script. There is no command defined in the corn namespace. CRON spelling mistake. There is no such comment. Let's check that. Let's troubleshoot it. So let's change it to the Magento file system owner user. So we change the user to dumpschool.com, and let's try the command with bin slash Magento corn. Corn is a Greek goddess of chronology. Chronologies came from the corn. Stall. So actually, what's the matter? Let's troubleshoot. Let's try it. What does it map? Setup corn. Let's try with setup corn. Setup CRN corn. Test corn run status di install. This is not the command, definitely. I just force. Let's try FORC force. Force with the option force. Come on. So let's try it. Setup on run. Chmod, no such file or directory were dumped such meant corn status line at the setup corn farmer. Let's check. Let's check with this. No contact for dumps too. That sounds good. Exit. Clear. Sudo. Dump school, the username, and then let's copy the comment from the website. Copy. current install line 1 sudo school, no such file or directory. Let's try with some other else. Let's see. Sudo user school bin Matento2 install. This is the command. Definitely there is no command defined with core namespace, so it's look like some kind of permission is there. Let's redo the permission type, permission things. Let's change it to sudo let's copy the permission command. Install operation not permitted. Let's check who is the owner of the folder. ls minus al var var owner of a dummy school is alright. He's the dummy school is the owner of this folder. Let's check. Owner is dummy school. No problem. So dummy school is supposed to run this command like this one. CD or dummy school. We are at dummy school already. We are here already. So find var. Changing permission to the operation not permitted. Let's try with sudo. Password for the dummy school. And dummy school was not a sudo user file, so it's not permitted. Let's try with another user like root user. Let's try with the other user. We'll try it with the sudo command. Let's try with the other user, that is MG. I have another user also. MG is command has been executed. So let's again run the cron command. Sudo minus user dump school bin mlgn2. So bin mlgn2 install. Yips, sudo u. This look like some user permission things is happening here. Let's fix the issue. I'll let you know when did I fix the issue, and then I can record. So however, I am right now unable to set up the cron file. We'll check this later. Right now, let's go ahead and advance with setting up the Magento and from the website. To set up the Magento, you need to visit the website. Let's reload it. So the Magento setup is prompt. Yeah, agree and set up Magento. Let's check the readiness check. I think it's give us everything alright. So give it next. Then database server host we need to populate it. So database server host localhost username school server password. Database name is school also, and the password is test. Table is not required. So your store address http://dumbschool.com single m http://dumbschool.com. Advanced settings, use https for Magento store font and for the Magento admin. HTTP store address is dumbschool.com. Your use web server rewrites. Encryption Magento generated, no problem. Session is file, it's fine. And use Apache web server rewrites. Web server rewrites, actually we need to enable one mod, that is more module rewrite module. So to rewrite, enable the module rewrite, we need to supply this all, and it's already enabled, so we don't need to worry about it. We already checked. Let's go ahead and put some time here. And advanced module computer, select all, then next, and username. So we put the username here, then next. Let's install now. The Magento is right now installing. Let's pause sometime. So it already installed, and you need to keep this admin URL in a safe place so that you can use it to use later. Come on, what's up? And password launch Magento admin. And this is the result. The requested URL was not found in the server. This could be a possible reason is We already found that cron job is not installed. I think there is some permission issue. For security, remove the permission from the directories dump school app etc. Right permission. We need to remove the right permission from that app etc. And we already installed the Magento and here we need to do some requirements and recommendation for the Magento sites. Let's do it. Like, let's try with the time zone. New York and EW, American New York. Alright. So we'd like to prove the time zone in American New York. New York. So time zone is set. This is number 1, and then number 2 is we need to go to the PHP file, vi xc PHP 7.2 Apache 2 PHP in here. We need to set the time zone. Let's copy it. Let's find the date and time zone. Here we'll set US time and check it. Memory limit again, fun for memory. Let's go memory limit, which is 2 GB. We'll put 2 GB here. 2 GB. Disable app stacks. Okay. And let's find for another things, that is save comments. Here we need to uncomment it. If disable, the PHP doc comments are dropped from the code to reduce the size of the optimized code. So we uncomment it. That is enable maximum execution time 1800 seconds. Max some time. We need to change it to 1800. Then ZL, I believe. Zlib.output compression. Z output compression, we need to set compression is 0 or O. Let's make it on. Let's close it. And restart. Restart. PHP 7 FPM. Let's restart it. This is the record number 2 we have done with the PHP limit. And let's try with the admin panel. No, with no luck. Alright, this was a unsuccessful item with the Magento installation. We'll check it later, but almost this process is same how we install the Magento. So thanks for watching. We'll do it later, and also you may try with it, and if you find any clue, let me know. Thank you.